My people, good evening. I have come again with another interesting information. You want to know about this, I know. This is concerning Ndigbo of Ajao Estate. Finally, he has been granted bail. Of course, you should know that he has stayed there for 30 days, like they said, and this is the bail they granted to him. Just listen, you have to listen from A to Z so that you know how Nigeria they go. A chief magistrate of court in Sabo area of Yaba, Lagos, granted bail to Frederick Wajago, the Ndigbo of Ajao Estate, who threatened to invite members of IPOB to Lagos. Remember, the Frederick Wajago was arrested on April 1st after a viral video in which he threatened to invite IPOB members to Lagos to secure the properties of Igbo residents. On Wednesday, Wajago appeared in court for allegedly threatening to bring the IPOB to Lagos. In a ruling on an application, Chief Magistrate Peter Waka granted the defendant bail in sum of 1 million naira with 4 sureties, all of whom must be Lagos residents. The court also ordered that one of the sureties own property in Lagos that is registered with the Land Bureau and has its document deposited with the court. You can imagine that. Before the court granted the defendant bail, the prosecution made an oral application stating that the court's remand order remained in effect pending receipt of DPP's advice. Nkechi Agubuzo, counsel for the defendant, argued that court has a duty to balance the course of justice and that this duty should be exercised judicially and judiciously. She requested permission from the court to proceed with her oral application for her client's bail. While noting that the DPP's advice had not been received, the magistrate also noted that no acknowledgement of the matter had been received from the DPP's office. Following the defendant's counsel oral application, Magistrate Waka granted bail to the defendant. Remember that on April 5th, the 67-year-old man was docked by police on a 2-count charges of conspiracy and conduct likely to cause a breach of public peace. SP Thompson Nuruddin, the police prosecutor, told the court that Ndigbo and others Ndigbo at large committed a crime on March 26th at number 2 Akim Shitu Street, Ajao Estate, Lagos. He claimed that Wajago instilled fear in Lagos residents by threatening to bring IPOB to the state. Wajago was also reported to have publicly stated that IPOB would close Lagos State for a month. According to Nuruddin, the alleged offenses violate Section 168D and 411 of the Lagos State Criminal Law 2015. The defendant's plea was not taken at that proceeding because it was a remand proceeding to ensure lawful detention. The defendant was simply remanded at the Ikoyi custodial facility for 30 days, pending the legal advice of the State Director of Public Prosecution, DPP. Before adjourning the case until Monday, May 3rd, for mention, the Chief Magistrate said he would seek advice from the State DPP, Dr. Babajide Martins, on how the proceed will continue. Hey, that is what they say he should sign for them. I'm telling you, after 30 days of keeping him in detention, a 67-year-old man, they remanded him. But MC Olomo Agbero of Lagos, they did not remand him. Even when when people ask police, why have you not arrested MC Olomo? He say he does not have business with MC Olomo, that if you have business with him, You can go arrest him yourself. You see, there are different laws for different people in Nigeria. Nigeria will not survive injustices against Ndigbo. How many times are we going to say it? And they think words are not bullets. Words are bullets. Words can actually devastate. Words can actually make you or mar you. That is the truth of the whole matter. My dear people, hating the Igbos will not stop the Igbos from thriving. The more you hate them, the more they are shining like star. Because when Joseph was hated by his brother, it does not stop the dream. Yes, and it does not stop the hand of God in his life. So now let me tell you that Ndigbo must move away from Nigeria. That is where our dignity lies. If we move away from Nigeria like we move away, divide the country and have our own, you will see our dignity and respect as a region will come back. Please, everybody should help us ask Iwanyanwu and the Igbo politicians, what do they stand to lose if Biafra comes? And what have they gained in Nigeria since Biafra has not come? These two questions, they must answer us. Yes, because this humiliation cannot be measured any longer. Have you heard that 500 Igbo military resigned from Nigerian military? For you to know, you don't have any other person in the army again. Every other army you are seeing is not from Igbo region. I tell you the truth. You better arrange yourself. Let us go. And our enemy will not be our security men. If your enemy happen to be your security man or woman, you are in trouble. Your life is finished already. Hence, we have lost our armies in our military men in Nigerian army. It is better we think home and form our own army and be sure that we have security down there in that region. All right, my good people, it is a very big pity that Ndigbo just said, I will invite IPOP. We will invite IPOP to come and be security guard on Igbo businesses. That was not a bad statement at all. IPOP is indigenous people of Biafra. It is because criminal government is trying to prescribe IPOP, trying to prescribe IPOB at all given time. And they think they will prosper with injustices. Heaven will forbid that. Earth will forbid that. Air will forbid that. That all that refuse to honor whom honor is due will be put to shame, will wear shame like clothes. That is just the simple truth, my dear people. Please do share, like, and subscribe to our very channel. God bless you.